I received them in PR, ऐसा लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए बना है. Let me repeat this. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dhruvika Patel. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. It's been a hot minute that I sat down and talked to you guys about whatever I love. So if you are new here and you can relate to my content, please hit the like button, share button and subscribe to my channel. This is a short and sweet video of products that I am obsessed with, and I genuinely love these products. For your information, this is not a sponsored video. I genuinely recommend these products because I personally use them. Some of them are just too good to be true. Makeup and skincare only. If you need more videos like this, then please let me know in the comments. I would love to make some for you. There's a list that I've made. Total number of 16 products. All the product links will be in the description box. Also, if you're new here and you're already liking me, then please follow me on Instagram. This is my ID, Dhruvika Patel, and I post fashion videos there. And yeah, you're gonna hear obsessed, cute, pigmented, just so good in this video. More. So the very first product we have is from Pixi. It's their 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. As you can see how much I like it. Already done with it, and I already have a restock with me. This does exactly what it says. It exfoliates your skin, and the moment you apply it, you'll see the particular glow on your face. I have been using this for a year now, I guess 1.5 years it's been that I've been using this. The best part is that it works under makeup as well. In the third application only, I saw it's doing something to my skin. बिकॉज जिस तरह से आप अपनी स्किन को जान सकते हो वैसा कोई नहीं जान सकता. लेट मी रिपीट दिस. जिस तरह से आप अपनी स्किन को जान सकते हो वैसा कोई नहीं जान सकता. बिकॉज यू आर द क्लोजेस्ट. लाइक you see yourself in like every phase, like light में, non light में, you know what I'm saying, if you know. Yeah. So if you have dull skin, this is your toner. So the next product is from Nykaa Cosmetics. It's their newly launched Get Cheeky blushes. I think the packaging is super dope. I love a good packaging. I was surprised when I received them in PR, and I was not expecting a great blush from Nykaa Cosmetics, but they did good with this one. My personal favorite shade is Pink Passion. I absolutely love to use this. Even without makeup, it looks great. With makeup, it looks great. It's just something about the blush. It just blends seamlessly, and it's just great for everyday wear. Even if you are not a makeup person but you like something on your cheeks, then this is wow. Everything will be in the description box along with all the direct links. So the next product is one more blush, and it's from K Beauty, Katrina Kaif's brand. I think this is the it blush for me. I'm going to use this blush all winter. If I just don't want to wear makeup and I still want to look fresh, I have deep dark under eyes, so that's why I have to look fresh with a little blush at times. ऐसा लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए बना है. इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है ये. By the way, ये पैकेजिंग देख रहे हो तुम लोग? Just look at it. It's K to be you. There is a swatch. It is the most natural looking blush I've ever used. If you want to invest in a good blush, personally I would suggest this one. Abhi le hi lo, because discount chal raha hai, and I think it's the perfect time to try out new products that you always wanted to. The best part about this blush is they've particularly mentioned it's a multi-purpose blush. You can use it as eyeshadow on your eyelids, nose, cheeks, lips, on your temple. You'll love it. It looks so natural. So the next product is something that मैं पूरी दुनिया को चिल्ला के marketize करना चाहती हूँ. Whenever somebody asks me कि कौन सा concealer ले, तो ये product ले लो, अभी के अभी ले लो. This is LA Girls Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This product has been in my life for 6 to 7 years. Yeah, you heard that right. 6 to 7 years it's been that I've been using this product. I am on my 8th tube. this ninth tube is already with me because I am obsessive like that. If I love a product, you'll see a restock already in my, dressing room. Non-cakey, non-drying, and just does the perfect job to, conceal your under eyes. The best part is this is affordable, you know. ये इसकी प्राइस रेंज जो है वो काफ़ी चलता है और काफ़ी पिगमेंटेड है. थोड़ा सा अमाउंट लोगे तो भी काफ़ी अच्छे से स्प्रेड आउट होता है. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज समथिंग दैट so many people are sleeping on. I don't understand how this product is still so underrated. This is L'Oreal Paris Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. I'm not that person that uses machines on my hair, like heat appliances and everything. I don't do that often. साल में 3 से 4 बार होता होगा वो भी अगर कोई शूट आया तो. और ये बाल without any heat appliances and everything, if you want to achieve that, then this is the product. Best part about this product is it's not leave-in. Like आपको कंडीशनर रखना पड़ता है थोड़ी देर के लिए, नहीं. Once you apply this thoroughly in your hair, मसाज कर लो अच्छे से, then सूखेंगे बाल और अच्छी स्मेल, मतलब it smells heavenly. इसकी प्राइस इज जस्ट अनबिलीवेबल टू मी. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 240 रुपीज़ ओनली और अभी डिस्काउंट होगा तो उससे भी कम. आई मीन it's a steal. If you go through frizziness and dry hair and everything, this is your product. And let me know in the comments what are you buying. I really want to know कि इन products में से आपको क्या interested हो buy करने में. So the next product is something that's always in my bag. It's the lip oil from LA Girl. I love LA Girl as a brand, so one day I just was scrolling on the internet and I found this product in the ads or somewhere and I had to try it. I love how it looks on me and how it feels, इतना greasy नहीं लगता है, फैलता नहीं है. I also like to apply this over my lip liners or lipsticks. Let me show you how it looks. Do you see it, how it just changed everything about my lips? What did I tell you? So the next product is again from L'Oreal. It's their Absolute Repair Hair Mask. I'm about to order a new one. I again cannot live without this product. I use it once a week and it's just perfect for my hair. मेरी frizziness में काफ़ी help आती है इसकी वजह से. This is my 7th or 8th tub, I guess, and I'm about to order another one, but I wanted to try other brands as well. So मैंने अभी मंगवाया नहीं है, but if you think your hair is not performing well and पूरी तरह से rough हो चुके हैं and everything, and if you're not using a hair mask and if you want to try start using one, then this is the product. Try using this one, start from this product. I think it will be a very very game changer kind of product for your hair. So the next product is something that changed my mentality towards cleansing oils. This is Sugandha's lightweight cleansing oil. This is the 4th bottle of this product. ये मैंने 1 महीने पहले ही ऑर्डर किया है and already मैंने I guess 40% I've used it. जहाँ तक मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ, तुम कुछ भी लगाओ, this will wipe everything off. And the best part is कि ये greasy नहीं है. तुम 2 pumps में ही पूरा फेस तुम्हारा क्लीन करके वाइप ऑफ कर दे. Just try this once and then use your favorite cleanser. You're good to go. So the next product is something that my followers suggested me. I once put up a sticker on Q&A sticker on my IG stories. So many suggested this product. It is Bare Anatomy's anti hair fall shampoo. मेरे लिए तो काम कर रहा है. This is my 3rd bottle. I received one in PR. And then मैंने वापस buy किया and then वो ख़त्म हो गया, तो ये again I bought a month ago again with the cleansing oil. And it does the job. I mean, it smells great. So this is for all hair types and it's on sale right now and it's a perfect time to try out new products. So the next product is for all the girlies जो combination skin type है और अभी तक एक that moisturizer नहीं ढूंढ पा रही है या पा रहा है. This is for male and female both. So this is the product for you and you will thank me once you start using this, because मैं इतनी खुश हुई थी as a combination skin type person. Products ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल है हमारे लिए, especially in skincare. So this is a gem. This is Foxtail Ceramide Super Cream Moisturizer. मैं सच बोलूँ तो मैं भूल गई हूँ ये कितनी बार मैंने रीपर्चेस किया हुआ है. दिस इज़ माई गो टू. आई जस्ट थिंक मैं कोई और मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ ही नहीं करूँगी. सनस्क्रीन आई कैन चेंज वंस इन अ वाइल. मैं अलग अलग ट्राई करती रहती हूँ, बट मॉइस्चराइज़र आई थिंक मुझे अब तक ऐसा मिला नहीं है जो नॉन ग्रीसी हो, जो ड्राइंग भी ना हो और जो रहे. इट फील्स दैट इट्स on my skin, but at the same time it's just when I touch it, it's not there. This is the product that you have to get it now. So the next product is a makeup product. It's a kajal. It's from Cave Beauty. It's a brown kajal. It's a beautiful shade. It's a perfect brown, chocolate brown. This is the chocolate brown shade. Everyday wear. If you don't like black kajals, then this is a kajal that you can use every day. Next product is something that I discovered from Instagram ads. I was like, I had to get it. I mean, it's just so like must hai, I am like that. If I find something like must hai, I should get it. And it's on the affordable side as well. From Solved Labs, it's their Calm Balm. This is a cleansing balm and it is a product. ये मैंने दूसरी बार खरीदा है, ये मेरा दूसरा है. सो ऐसे गोल घुमाने से प्रोडक्ट बाहर निकलता है एंड देन यू जस्ट टेक इट एंड देन yeah, good to go. It does the job and it's again non-greasy and it does not even dry out everything, but it takes off everything. The next product is something that I get complimented on a lot. This is Moi by Nykaa. It's a perfume. इसे पढ़ते कैसे I don't know, but it's the translation says joy of life. I don't know how to explain all the notes. It smells heavenly. Like, दो लोग आके हमको बोलेंगे कि what perfume you're wearing, it's so good. And it's long lasting as well. So the next product is from Dot & Key. It's their green clay mask. I apply this twice a week. I try to apply this twice a week, but एक बार तो होता ही है. If it's a long shoot day, then next day I make sure that I apply this and I see the results. It actually, cleanses everything. जो भी बाकी चुकी अगर कुछ चीज़ें बची हुई होती है फेस पे तो वो निकालने में हेल्प करता है. दिस इज़ माई थर्ड टब. इट इज़ सो क्यूट. जस्ट लुक एट इट. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ द इंटरनेट सेंसेशन Laneige lip balm. Most of the girls will have this in their bags and I know why now. ये एक ही प्रोडक्ट है जो ऐसे मेरे मन में घुस गया है. आई कीप ऑन सजेस्टिंग दिस इन माई IG स्टोरीज एज वेल. टिंटेड लिप बाम्स डज नॉट वर्क फॉर मी बिकॉज वो एट सम पॉइंट ड्राइंग हो जाता है, बट ये ड्राई नहीं करता है. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग लिप बाम आई एवर यूज्ड. गेट दिस नाउ. द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इट्स Bioderma's Pigment Bio Foaming Cream Cleanser. If you have pigmentation on your face, tanning on your face, this is the it product when it comes to pigmentation. I have pigmentation around my mouth a lot. मेरा पहला tube है and I am eager to use it again. It says it helps with dark spots, exfoliates, evens out skin tone, illuminates. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को टाइम दो, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को आप अपना 50% दो, तब जाके वो काम करेगा. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज और क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू एनी ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स और एनी अदर प्रोडक्ट्स और सजेशंस, then please comment down. I'll reply super soon. Thank you for watching till now. It means the world to me if you have subscribed, liked or shared my video. See you in the next